we are choosing Facebook, why we are choosing specifically Facebook to advertise there. So when you're using a service like, for example, Google, you need to know that Google is based on a search for keywords. So for example, somebody is searching a dentist in LA. And when somebody is searching a dentist for LA, there are a limitation, a limitation of people which are searching for dentists in LA. So for example, when the total amount of searches for a keyword, for example, dentist in LA, is around 1,000 per month, 1,000 people, which is really low. For example, 10,000 people per month. So the searches, for example, searches for the keyword dentist in LA is 10,000 people per month. Just for example, I don't know if the numbers right now the right number, but we are just saying that approximately it's 10,000 people per month, searching for dentists in LA. So the search term, is limited to these amount of people, and that's it. When we want, for example, to advertise on Google Maps, on Google Maps, then you will find out that's also the same like for when you are advertising on Google, because it's also limited per keyword searches. Also, we have something like Yelp. It's also something like Google Maps, but where you have also local businesses. And why we are not on Yelp? We are not on Yelp because most of the business owners we are, for example, worked with, which are advertised on Yelp, are pretty effed up by all the ads and all the results they're getting, because they're getting like average or no results at all from Yelp. Most of the people which are on Yelp or in Google Maps are literally there to looking up for a location which is nearby or to leave a bad review. And that's I can say from my personal experience with customers which are worked with Google Maps and Yelp. And we are working with Facebook. Now why we are working with Facebook? We are working with Facebook ads because Facebook is unlimited. So we have unlimited people on Facebook. It's not limited like Google with searching with a search keyword. For example, when you have dentists in LA, you have only a specific amount of searches per month. In Facebook, we have the whole world which we can target with our ads. So that's the main reason why we are using Facebook. Facebook is unlimited, and we have unlimited opportunities to advertise on this platform. And also, business owners are easily willing to advertise on Facebook rather than on Google, Yelp, or other platforms, because it's like a new way of advertising, and that's just basically the feedback I am getting from our customers. And that's why we are using Facebook and not other services like Google or Yelp.